attacking Glenmark this afternoon. What's the buzz there?
Well, yes, definitely an interesting piece of news which is really coming on Glenmark, because they have entered into an agreement with the US Department of Justice, the Antitrust Division, which is basically the DoJ. That's the short form. Now, this is to resolve all court proceedings with the Department of Justice in the US. It involves a historical pricing practice issue which had come up by former employees, and it relates to the generic drug pravastatin, which took place between 2013 and 2015. Now, the company has basically entered into a 3-year deferred prosecution agreement with regards to this litigation which was taking place on this cholesterol drug. And the DOJ, the Department of Justice, will now dismiss the indictment if in case the company adheres to the terms of agreement, which is not known, and 2, that includes a payment of $30 million payable in 6 installments. So what this does is that it removes the overhang of any kind of outstanding issue with the Department of Justice. We know the amount of settlement, which is $30 million, and it's not a huge amount because there have been larger amounts which have taken place in terms of settlements, and hence it is limited for Glenmark. We know the downside potential here, and hence that's in fact a positive. Remember, the stock itself has run up very significantly, and that's probably the reason why we're seeing the stock down around 1.3%, because yes, there is an outflow, but majority of the news is probably factored in, good or bad.
Okay, that's about Glenmark Pharma, and pharma stocks, they continue to be on our radar. The big outperformance that we